For the first one, which we won't read all these, but these are companies of the year, and the first one is City of the Year, which is, I'd like to call up Matthew Lund from Tristan Capital Partners to give this one away out. Matthew, please come on up and we'll draw the first, have you read out the first name.
And these are the nominees: Katowice, Opole, Poznań, and Wrocław. 4 great Polish cities. And who is the winner?
So Matt, welcome to the stage, and thank you for helping us hand out this award. And the envelope is there.
And the winner is Wrocław.
Wrocław.
Wrocław. That's you. Congratulations. And then you say,
Thank you very much. This means a lot to me. It feels really nice to have left the Uber I was in for over an hour, and it's wonderful to be enjoying this night. So enjoy yourselves, and thank you very much.
thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.